Do we really use only 10% of our brain? You've probably heard this before. Humans only use 10% of their brain. But is that actually true? Let's dive into one of the most common and misleading myths about the human brain. The origin of the myth. The idea likely started in the early 1900s when psychologists like William James said things like, "We are making use of only a small part of our mental resources." Over time, that was twisted into a scientific-sounding claim. We only use 10% of our brain. Hollywood loved it. Movies like Lucy and Limitless ran wild with the idea, suggesting if we unlocked the other 90%, we'd gain superpowers. What science actually says. But here's the truth, it's total nonsense. Brain scans like fMRI and PET clearly show activity across the entire brain, even during simple tasks like reading, listening to music, or tying your shoes. Different regions handle different jobs, and they work together all the time. Even when you sleep, your brain is active. What if we only use 10%? If we only use 10% of our brain, most injuries wouldn't matter, but even small damage can have huge effects. The brain uses 20% of your body's energy, even though it's just 2% of your weight. That's not a design flaw. It's proof your whole brain is working hard. Why do people still believe it? Because it sounds amazing. The idea of untapped potential is inspiring. And it's been repeated so often in books and movies, people just accepted it. But repetition isn't truth. Believing a myth doesn't make it real. So no, we don't just use 10% of our brain. We use all of it, just not all at once. Your brain is already amazing, powerful, and efficient. No superpowers needed.